Hey, Ian again from Jim's Antennas and Security. So I hear a few of you at home thinking you might want to install your own security cameras at home. Well, that's all good and well. Here's a little bit about what you might need to know. So when you're installing an IP camera system, every camera has one of these fancy looking connectors on it called an RJ45. That's an RJ45 female. All your cabling needs to be able to plug in to that RJ45 female. So in order to do that, you need to put an RJ45 male connector on the end of your cable. And it's got to be done in the right order. Cablings, wires are going to be done in the right order. So we're just going to strip back a piece of Cat6 cable. We're going to trim off the backbone and we're going to start getting our wires in order. We're going to strip them out, unravel them like this. Make sure if you're going to do this that you've got the right tools, a nice sharp pair of pliers, proper RJ45 crimping tool. If you're going to use pass-through connectors, you need the right tool that trims off your wires when you pass it through the connector. So I've got my wires out like that. Now I want my wires nice and straight. So I'm just going to smooth the kinks out of these wires. Make sure my wires are nice and straight to deal with. It's all about the preparation. You get the preparation right, the rest of the job becomes a whole lot easier. I've still got a few kinks in it. So I'm going to use the 568A Australian standard. So we're going to go green, white, blue, white, orange, brown, white, brown. Get them nice and straight. Give them a bit of a wiggle. Nice straight wires. We're going to trim them off here. With a nice sharp pair of pliers. We're going to double check our wires are in the right order. We're going to slide our connector over. Bring our sheath through underneath the clamp. Double check our wires again. Use our proper crimping tool. Cut our wires off. We would put a dust cover and a waterproof cover over that, clip it into our camera, and we're connected. Pretty simple when you know how. If you're not quite sure how to do that or you don't want to do it on your own, give Jim's a call, 131546, and get one of our experts out and they'll do it all for you. Thanks for watching.